Let's make some seasonal Halloween needle minders with rub-on transfers from the Dollar Tree. I'm Michelle, and this is my romantic tangle, and this is a quick little project that'll add some spookiness to your cross-stitch projects for the month to come. The Dollar Tree has these absolutely great rub-on transfers this year. When I first saw them in someone's haul, I started making plans, not realizing that they were rub-on transfers instead of stickers, but I can work with this. I am seeing needle minders. I love the needle minders I have made from Dollar Tree stickers in years past, and I think I see a way I can make this work. I need something sturdy to rub them onto, and I'm going to make myself something sturdy with craft sticks. I have a gazillion of these still around the house from when the boys were building creepy mansions with them. My first step was to take a little rub-on transfer that I was probably not going to use for something else and try it out on a popsicle stick just to make sure I like the way it looked. And I do like the way it looks on the bare wood. I'm thinking about building a background for my cat. If I cut popsicle sticks down and combine them, I think it'll look like boards, and I'm really liking that idea, so that is what I'm going to do here. I trimmed the transfer that I wanted to use down to size to see how many boards I would need to get it to be a good background for the cat. And then I swiped my husband's Stanley knife out of his work bag, and I cut 3 popsicle sticks down to size. I'm sure there are better ways to cut these, but I wanted to work on this project today and not procrastinate, so I used what was easy to grab. I got this sanding block at the Dollar Tree. I've already sanded one down to smooth out the edges, and now I'm going to sand down the others, and then out of the wider popsicle stick, cut a 3rd piece that I'm going to glue on the back to hold these all together. I sanded all of my cut edges so that, first of all, they'll look nicer, and also just out of a bit of extra caution, I want to make sure that I don't have any rough edges that could snag on my needlework later. And now I'm going to glue them together with some tacky glue. I got everything lined up the way I wanted, and now I'm going to leave it to dry. My little signs have dried, and now it's time to put the rub-on transfers on. I want to make sure that I calculated correctly and gave myself enough space for them. It looks like they're both going to be good. The next step is going to be to peel off this white backing paper and line it up exactly the way I want it. And then I will rub with another popsicle stick to transfer the rub-on transfer from the plastic sheet onto my needle minder. Once you think you've rubbed hard enough, very, very gently peel back the hard plastic. I've missed a bit of my cat's cheek here, so I'm going to have to do more rubbing to make sure that it all transfers the way I want it to. I am new to rub-on transfers, so I'm learning as I go here. I absolutely love the way these turned out. I especially love the cat and how it looks a little bit more primitive and rustic. I'm going to add a layer of Mod Podge to protect the transfers from getting banged up in my project bag. And I'm going to use my E6000 glue to glue a neodymium craft magnet to the back of each of these. I got both of those at Walmart. And I can't wait to put these on my stitching. There are so many great stickers and transfers and embellishments out there. And I hesitate to use them in my journal or my planner because then they'll be hidden between the pages and I don't get to enjoy them. I love making them into needle minders so I can see them and enjoy them every day while I'm working on my projects. I've got lots more Halloween tutorials that I'm working on, and I will be back with more videos for you soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Michelle, and this is my romantic tangle.